students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says magnesium reacts with an element X to form an ionic compound. If the ground state electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, the simplest formula for this compound is Mg2x3, Mgx2, Mg2x or Mg3x2. So we all know that Mg has valency of +2, and as we can see, X has the valency of 3. This can be stated as 1s2, 2s2, here should be 2p6. So 3 electrons is the valency of this compound. Whether it will take 3 electrons to fill its shell or it would give 3 electrons. So the valency would be 3. So directly crossing them, it is a pretty simple question. The answer would be Mg3x2. The correct answer is 4th. I hope everybody got it. Answer is 4th option, Mg3x2.